Here's a few more ideas from me for August for doing in your garden. Should we start in the fruit garden? You've enjoyed raspberries, I'm sure you have. Well, the autumn ones you just leave alone. They'll produce their fruit as we go into autumn. But those summer ones that you hopefully have enjoyed, with a nice bit of sugar and a nice bit of cream, those you cut down to ground, all the old shoots, and allow the new shoots to grow. If you want to, and it's something that I've done in the past, is you can allow some of those old stems to last and stay, leave a few, and they will actually produce a cluster of raspberry at the top of them quite early on. So that's one thing to do. Keep all your fruit bushes well watered. You don't want to lose any if you're in the south of England where it is particularly dry. If you're up the north and Scotland, you have a lot of rain, so you might not have to struggle so much with it. Vegetables, keep sowing. Most important, keep salad crops sown all the time, particularly things like radish, spring onion, lettuce, and all those sort of things. If you get the chance of sowing a bit of those cabbages, you can get cabbages still to seed and produce nice small seedling you can then plant on, ready for next spring. So there are, that's the vegetable garden. Have I covered all that? Don't forget stone fruits, prune those as well. Apricots, peaches, nectarines, and plums as well, because you're most likely enjoying plums at the moment as well. Rambling roses. Now, you should really be pruning your rambling roses at this time of the year as the roses finish flowering. I don't, I do mine in the spring. But if you want to know how to prune a rambling rose, just go to our website, worldradiogardening.com, look on roses, and you'll find me pruning a very large rambling rose, and it will give you an idea on what you should be doing in your garden. Lawns in the south have been very dry. The RHS are advising us to not water at all. I do water. If you have a look at my lawn, it's green. I keep my lawn green. Sorry, I'm selfish, but I like a green lawn. However, if you're up north, you'll have a green lawn. If you are feeding in the south and it's dry, use a liquid feed and not a granular feed. So there's a few ideas for you to be getting on with, and I'll give you some more next week here on World Radio Gardening.